Yeah, yeah. Can't stop, won't stop. Keep working till we get to the top. Can't stop, won't stop. Keep working till we get to the top.
When it's lights up, hyped up, put your sights up, aim up high, push through the stage right.
Like McCabe, I push the car to Friday. Like Rebecca Black, putting in work is like investments. I get it back.
Here we go. Good morning, Bend Middle School. Today is Monday, April 8th, 2024. Today we have a bunch of fun updates for this week. I'm Naomi.
And I'm Jador. Today is Monday, April 8th, 2024. Let's kick it off with some weeks with some positivity.
Solar eclipses happen all the time, once every 18 months or so, on average. In theory, you could see dozens of them in your lifetime, but you won't. The one coming up on April 8th may very well be the only one you will ever experience, if you're lucky, and I'm going to explain why.
This is an experience beyond all experiences. You can't prepare yourself properly for what this is like.
I've been told to see a total solar eclipse is a defining moment in one's life. The bright sky gives way to a creeping darkness. The ambient light changes. The air gets colder and the moon slow glides into place. These brilliant beads of light shimmer and disappear one by one until there's nothing left but that dancing glow of the sun's corona, its atmosphere, giving this halo to the moon.
This spiky streamers and long brushes and these shapes that you can't even describe come shooting off the surface.
You're the Earth, okay? Your camera angle that you're looking through right now represents you looking out into the sky, looking at space and looking at the sun. So, a total solar eclipse is when the moon, which orbits the Earth, orbits you about once every month, when the moon happens to line up exactly with the sun.
Don't forget, Mondays means it's time for our math challenge with Miss Carol.
And for tomorrow to see the answer if you crack the code. Remember, it's all about embracing challenges and growing our minds.
Happy Monday! It is the week of April 8th, and your challenge problem is, if the square shown is rotated 1,890 degrees counterclockwise, which side will be on top? So come grab a problem from outside of my office and then submit it for your chance to win a prize.
Before we dive into today's news, let's review our school rules. Remember, rule number 1 is to respect yourselves and others.
Rule number 2, follow directions the first time they are given. Rule number 3, keep hands, feet, and objects to yourself.
Rule number 4, come to class prepared and on time. Rule number 5, no gum, candy, or electronics in class unless it is approved by a teacher.
And let's not forget, no gum chewing. It's important to keep our classrooms clean and distraction-free. If you're chewing gum in class and you put it on the floor, you must pick it up or clean it up.
Let's celebrate the start of this week by announcing our band person of the week.
In my role here at BAM, I am the 6th grade math teacher, the athletic director, and the PE teacher here at BAM. First experience here at BAM was surprising, to say the least. Like my first day, I dealt with some 8th graders that you guys didn't really get a chance to meet. And it was an adjustment, but one that I made flawlessly. What I like most about BAM is dealing with the kids that are from the same community as I am. I grew up not too far from where our school is located, so I feel like that gives me kind of the upper hand to really relate and understand what most of the kids may be going through. So this kind of piggyback off of my last answer. I just want to give children an opportunity to see, somebody that looks like them, somebody that comes from the same community as they do. Just looking to see what the success looks like. There are not a lot of positive male role models in our community, and I just want to be one for the kids coming up.
Hi scholars, here are some important testing announcements. The ELA test for 6th and 7th grade is on Thursday, April 11th and Friday, April 12th. The test for 8th grade will be April 17th and 18th. All electronics, including phones, smartwatches, and earphones, must be off and in lockers for the entirety of the day. There is no homeroom on these days. All students will go directly to their testing rooms after lockers. If you aren't sure where you test, ask your teachers now. On these days where another grade is testing, you may be in a different class. Make sure you ask your teachers where you're supposed to go. This will be posted at morning entry. Once testing begins, there will be no bathroom or water breaks for 1 hour. Make sure you use the bathroom before testing starts. Bring a book with you to read. If you don't have one, talk to your ELA teacher. You will not be allowed to do anything but read once you have finished your test. Now on to the fun stuff. Non-cafeteria breakfast will be served on the mornings you test. The grade that has the highest attendance for both days of testing will get a dress down day on Monday, April 29th. Any grade that achieves 100% attendance for both days of testing gets a dress down day that includes shoes of your choice. Get those Crocs ready, guys. All right, make sure you're ready to test. Catch you guys later.
That wraps up today's edition of Lights Up. Have a fantastic Monday, Blazers. We'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning. Woo!
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday.